Hey there, Para folks. Here's how to buy new clothes in Paralives. If you're starting to get tired of seeing your para wear the same outfits over and over again, you can always expand their wardrobe by purchasing new clothes from one of the clothing stores in town. To find the boutique, zoom out and view the town from the coastline. Starting from the cliff with the tower, follow the road leading into town. Move your camera upward until you spot the park near the center of the map. Zoom in on that area and rotate your camera until you find this shop with clothing displays out front. That's the boutique you're looking for. Have your para visit the store during its opening hours so you can access the interior and browse the available outfits. Once inside, take a look around the shop. The outfits available for purchase are displayed on the mannequins. If you see something you like, simply click on the mannequin to purchase the entire outfit. You can continue shopping and buy as many outfits as you want, provided you have enough paradigms to pay for them. After purchasing new clothes, they'll automatically be added to your para's wardrobe. If you want to wear one of your newly purchased outfits right away, simply interact with one of the clothing racks inside the store or a wardrobe at home. This will open the outfit selection menu, where you can switch to any outfit you've unlocked. And that's basically all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.